All right, got a couple of heavy hitters left. Here we go, Rough Island. All right, 146.84 inches, 146.4 for Jason Titsworth in Rough Island.